Hello everyone, welcome to Food My Way. Today we are going to make a Japanese soup called ramen. It is basically a whole wheat noodle soup with miso or soya flavored broth. This recipe which I am preparing here is not exactly authentic one. I have made some changes as per the ingredients available to me. Basically, I would say a healthy home style ramen soup. So, let's get started. First, we will make marination for our protein. For that, we required ginger, spring onion, garlic, black peppercorn, oil, salt, soya sauce, and few basil leaf, tulsi leaves. You can skip this as well. To start with, we're going to crush all these ingredients in a mortar. We are going to crush it nicely. We are going to add oil and soya sauce into it and make a nice paste out of it. We are going to marinate our any protein. It could be chicken, it could be paneer, tofu, or even prawns as well. Here I am using chicken. It's a boneless chicken breast. You can use small strips also. We are going to mix it well with this marination and keep it aside for half an hour. We are going to boil our eggs for 7 to 8 minutes. Meanwhile, we will make small marination for our boiled egg, that is soya sauce, vinegar, crushed pepper, chopped ginger, and we are going to coat our boiled eggs into that. Now we will start to make our broth for the soup. For that we required ginger, garlic, carrot, sliced onion, lime leaves and coriander roots. If you don't get lime leaves, that's not an issue. Here you can use mushroom as well. Traditional soup has mushroom in it. We'll add salt as well. In the same stock, we are going to add a teaspoon of soya sauce that will give a nice color to our broth. Once our stock start boiling, we are going to add noodle over here, preferably whole wheat, followed by we are going to add some bean sprout and keep it for boiling. Once noodles almost cooked after 1 or 2 minutes, we are going to turn off the heat. For cooking of chicken, we are going to heat the pan, add little oil, and then we are going to place our marinated chicken breast for cooking. We are going to sear it nicely. For assembling, we are going to put noodle into the bowl, followed by broth along with the vegetables. Once chicken is cooked, we are going to take it out and we are going to slice it. Then we are going to place the sliced chicken on top of it. We are going to add carrot juliennes. You can add any vegetables of your liking. spring onion. Going to cut the marinated boiled egg into half and place it on the soup. Garnish with coriander sprig. Your healthy ramen soup is ready to serve. Thank you very much for watching.